Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clock out of cardboard. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a piece of sturdy cardboard, perhaps a cereal box or shipping carton, a small clock mechanism with hands, and basic craft tools like scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Selecting cardboard that is at least 1/8 inch thick will provide a good foundation for your project. Make sure your clock mechanism comes with the hour, minute, and second hands, plus a battery slot. Now, let's design the clock face. Begin by drawing a perfect circle on your cardboard. You can use a compass for precision, or simply trace around a dinner plate or a large bowl. Once your circle is drawn, carefully cut it out using a sharp craft knife or strong scissors. Next, mark the 12-hour positions around the edge of your cardboard circle. You can use a ruler to ensure even spacing, making sure the numbers will be clearly visible. With your clock face ready, it's time to install the mechanism. Find the exact center of your cardboard circle and carefully create a small hole, just large enough for the clock mechanism's shaft to pass through. Insert the mechanism from the back of the cardboard, pushing the shaft through to the front. Secure it with any provided washers or nuts. Then, attach the hour hand, followed by the minute hand, and finally the second hand, ensuring they are all facing upwards and move freely. Finally, let's add some personal flair and finish your clock. This is where your creativity shines. You can paint the clock face, use markers to draw numbers, or even glue on decorative paper or fabric. Once your design is complete, insert one AA battery into the clock mechanism. Watch as the hands begin to move and enjoy your unique, handmade cardboard clock. It's a fun and functional piece of art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.